Okay, so let us see important full forms related to the modern agencies of education. First one ICT, so इसके full form कहते हैं Information and Communication Technology. Next MOOC, Massive Open Online Course, Massive Open Online Course. Next स्वयं, स्वयं की full form Study Webs of Active Learning for Young Aspiring Minds. नेक्स्ट दीक्षा, ये टीचर्स के लिए प्लेटफॉर्म होता है क्यूआर बेस्ड डिजिटल इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर फॉर नॉलेज शेयरिंग. देन LMS, it is learning management system. NIOS, National Institute of Open Schooling. NCRT, National Council of Educational Research and Training. UGC University Grant Commission. AICTE, All India Council for Technical Education. All India Council for Technical Education. M-learning means mobile learning, e-learning, simply electronic learning. Next OER, it is Open Educational Resource. NDER, National Digital Education Architecture. CCE, very important, common, continuous and comprehensive evaluation. Next is RT, Right to Education. SSA, सर्व शिक्षा अभियान. RMC, राष्ट्रीय माध्यमिक शिक्षा अभियान. NEP, National Education Policy. Then IT, Information Technology, and AV means audiovisual aids. Now let us see top 20 best 20 question from the modern agencies in education. So question number 1 is modern agencies of education mainly emphasize on, so they emphasize on technology supported learning. Option number C is the right answer. Next, ICT in education refers to use of technology for teaching learning. Option number B is the right answer. Next one, which of the following is the Government of India MOOC platform? So it is Swayam. Option number C is the right answer. Swayam is Indian government initiative offering free online courses to ensure the access, equity and quality of education. Next, the primary objective of Swayam is, तो इसका primary objective क्या है? To provide the free and quality online education. Diksha platform is mainly meant for, so it is meant for teachers professional development and to give or check the assignments, assessments, all this related to the Diksha platform. Next is ePathshala. It is an initiative of NCRT. ePathshala is developed by NCRT to provide free digital textbook and learning sources. Next one is, which one is not a learning management system? LMS की full form learning management system. तो इनमें से कौन सा नहीं है? ऑप्शन नंबर डी दीक्षा. So बाकी Moodle, Schoology, Google Classroom, these belong to LMS. That means learning management system. Next आता है आपका LMS mainly helps in, so it helps in managing teaching, learning and assessment. Next one, blended learning means, नाम से पता लग रहा है blend का मतलब दो चीज़ों को blend करना. So it is a combination of online and classroom learning. Next, mobile learning or M-learning support, so it support the anytime anywhere learning. Next, which modern agency promote the informal learning the most? So mass media, these are the sources of informal learning like newspaper, television, radio, digital media. One major advantage of modern agency of education is it is learner-centered approach. Digital divide refer to, so it refers to the gap between digitally rich and poor learners. So digital divide means unequal access to the technology, internet and digital sources among the learners. सारे इक्वल नहीं है, किसी के पास आपके पास resources नहीं होंगे तो वो कैसे सीखेंगे. Next, social media as an educational tool mainly promotes, so it promote collaborative learning. See, the role of teacher in modern agency is mainly that of, so it is mainly to provide the facilities and to guide the learner students. Which of the following is limitation of modern agency? So ये आ जाता है आपका डिजिटल डिवाइड और गैप, lack of devices, internet. NEP 2020 emphasizes modern agencies mainly for digital and blended learning. Mass media as an agency of education mainly support the non-formal and informal education. Next, which platforms support the QR-based digital content for teachers? So it is Diksha. Last question is technology in education should be viewed as a supportive tool for teaching learning and but it cannot replace the role of a teacher.